Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a reliable VPN provider because WhatsApp calls need low latency and privacy. Pick one with WireGuard or UDP for performance. Once installed, sign into the official app and allow any required permissions. Next, enable the kill switch to avoid accidental IP leaks and select a nearby server country to reduce ping. Finally, make a basic connection test. Open the VPN, confirm the status shows connected, and note the chosen server and protocol before moving on. Now configure the details that affect call quality. First, choose a server close to your contacts or geographically between you and them. Lower distance cuts delay. Once done, enable split tunneling if available so only WhatsApp traffic goes through the VPN. This saves bandwidth. Make sure the protocol is set to WireGuard or UDP for faster handshakes. Then run a speed test and place a quick WhatsApp voice call to verify audio clarity and jitter. Adjust server or protocol if needed. Finish by confirming that WhatsApp calls route through the VPN and that audio and video quality are stable. Watch for echo or dropouts. Maintain the connection by updating the VPN app and reopening it before long calls. If you experience packet loss, jitter, or connection drops, first switch to a closer or less loaded server. Then change protocol from UDP to TCP or enable obfuscation if your network blocks VPNs. As a last check, toggle the kill switch off briefly to rule out local firewall interference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.